I'm polybath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools, classrooms, individuals work with difficult behaviors that interrupt instruction. And today I'm going to answer one of your questions. Here we go. I teach kindergarten, and the kids don't behave at all. I mean, they really can't sit still. They can't work independently, they whine, they argue with each other, and they don't play nice no matter what I do. I just want it to stop. What can I do? I totally get this. Some days you just feel like, did I teach today? Or did I spend all my day just kind of like playing a game of whack-a-mole? Well, especially with 5-year-olds. And let's face it, when you've got 25-year-olds in one room, it's like herding cats. And that's pretty tough if you ever tried to do that. So let's just go back to some of the basics. Kindergarten. You and I both know that primary grade curriculum is here, way up here, and kids' developmental skills are not there. So let's just be honest, put it on the table. We can't control the curriculum, but we can control how we deliver it. And delivery for 5-year-olds is super important. Be aware that chronological and developmental age are two different things. I might be 5, but if you teach kindergarten, you're teaching any age from 18 months to 5 developmentally, depending upon their background, social-emotional, experiences, whatever it might be, trauma. There's lists of things that impact my developmental versus my chronological age. And if they're not ready for some of the things that we're expecting, you're not able to force this. So look at your entire class, assess that, and then you say, okay, realistically, if I've got 2-year-olds in here, what can a 2-year-old sustain? Can they go from center to center independently and go to the next thing? Maybe not. Will they by January, if I start really teaching these things slowly and purposefully in September? Yes. And if you get there by January, you'll be able to take off. So it's not lowering the expectations, it's being realistic when those developmental skills are not there yet. And what you'll see around that January is if they start to get those skills under their belt because you've slowed the train down a little bit, because that's what they need in order to process the information you're teaching, and you start going forward with the curriculum better a few months later, you'll be able to fill some of those learning gaps. But if you fight against the developmental needs to get the learning in, you're going to be fighting it until June. Thanks for that question. And if you have questions that you'd like to see in a future episode, please include those in the comments below.